Just 1 month away comes Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6, and I'm excited about the new live leaked photos and features. Rumors of a later release and a higher price tag, however, have me a little concerned as well. We have been hoping for a larger cover screen. If you have been keeping up with the Z Fold 6 leaks as closely as I have, the Z Fold 6 is not just going to be 2.8mm wider than the Z Fold 5, but actual photos demonstrate that it is far more apparent than that. The larger aspect ratio, together with the updated bezels, make a big difference even though the screen size only grew by 0.1 inch. Unlike the Z Fold 5, which had hefty top and bottom bezels, the Z Fold 6 has slim, consistent bezels all around, a la the S24 Ultra. Though it will be far less obvious, the Z Fold 6 is emulating our beloved boxy, sharp-cornered style. Along with becoming bigger, the Z Fold 6 is becoming noticeably lighter than the Z Fold 5. Thickness is one major factor in that. Not only is the Z Fold 6 much slimmer, but the benchmark results have just leaked as well. It appears from the model number that this is the worldwide version, and it runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU. That implies that, contrary to earlier speculations, Samsung isn't experimenting with various processors for various countries, and that Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 owners worldwide will receive the same top-notch specifications. A Greek source is circulating a juicy rumor that Samsung may be raising the Z Fold and Z Flip prices this year. It would be an increase of €100 in Europe and $100 worldwide. According to the same story, Samsung will hold its major launch event on July 24th instead of July 10th because it is a major sponsor of the Olympics, which begin on July 26th. Though this isn't the most trustworthy source, so take it with a grain of salt. Samsung intends to give its products a huge promotional boost just before the games. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.